Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to unblock a person on Facebook. So let's start. First open the Facebook app. Now what we will do is we will search a random person, block him and then we will unblock him again. Now let's search for a random person. I'll choose this person. Now to block him, tap on the three dots and tap block. Now tap on block again and the user is blocked. Now let's unblock him. Tap on the three bars on top right corner. Scroll down. Tap on Settings and Privacy and go to Settings. Now scroll down and you'll see the blocking option. Tap on that. You'll see all of the persons you have blocked from your account here. At the top of the block list, you can see the person I have recently blocked. Now I'll just tap on Unblock. Remember, if you're unblocking a person, then you will not be able to block him in the next 48 hours. And now tap Unblock. And that's how you unblock a person on Facebook app. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.